Welcome to Engineering Home Tech and the video log. Today we'll continue to assemble one of the Canon FD 50 milliliter 1.8 lenses I have been working on. This is, as I said, this is a very unique type of lens. There are no available video on the internet currently talking about this lens and how to disassemble it and reassemble it. And due to its design, the special design, there are some difficulties to put the aperture assembly back together and put it back to the lens. As you see, the aperture assembly is not sealed in housing. That was the most Euro design of this type of lens, right? Most you will see this type of lens, it has sealed aperture assembly. So that was very easy to take it out, clean it, and put it back. You see, this special kind, I wouldn't say it's rare. You know, so far I only see one of them. One of this type of lens, you have to put the aperture blade together. See, then with aperture blade open, you have to put it back into the lens housing. That's where the difficulty comes from, right? When you put it back, the aperture blades are easily fall off. I already tried several times. Have no luck, have no success. So today I will try again, and also I probably will find some new method to see if I can put these things together. Hopefully this video will give you some reference. These are not available on the internet. So as usual, I will put the blade back to the assembly. But right, this is Euro, okay? Right, I will put it back together. Okay. Any type of these lenses, you will have this kind of blade, aperture blade, right? You shouldn't have any problem to put them together. The difficulty is next part. Okay. Okay. You see, now I put the blade back to the housing, right? Aperture blade back to the aperture housing. You see, this is a partial sealed housing. It's just one side sealed, the other side is completely exposed. So what I'm trying to do here, instead of put this aperture assembly back to the lens barrel, I'm doing something different. First, I'm anchor this Aperture assembly. Okay, now I'm doing something different. Okay, I'm going to put the lens barrier housing assembly onto the Aperture to see onto the Aperture assembly to see if this would be easier. Okay, let's see. I have a mark here. You see, this is the mark supposed to align with the mark here, right? Okay, let's see how we're doing this time. How we are doing this time. Let me see. Okay, I have a hole. I have a hole here. Let's see. Let's go. Hopefully. Okay. Hopefully. Now I have to flip over. Okay. Let's flip it over. Okay. It's back. Okay. Okay. We're making progress. Now let's see. I have to line up the screw hole here. The screw hole is not totally lined up. That's our problem. Hold on. Okay. Let me see. The screw hole is not totally lined up. I have to twist this. Here, you see, I have to twist this to line this line and this line together. Let's see if we can do it. Okay. Oh. It doesn't allow me to. Why it doesn't allow me to rotate? It really doesn't allow me to rotate. Okay. Oh, we're getting close, but it's still not right, you see? We're getting close, you see it fall off again. That's a strange. That's a strange. I have to do it, restart all over. Ooh. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You see, fail again. That's okay. We're getting there. Why? I have to understand why it doesn't allow me to rotate. It doesn't allow me to rotate. Okay. Okay. Okay, you see the difficulties. We're going to try one more time, okay? Okay, we're coming back. We're going to try again, okay, to see if we can put it on this time, okay? Same thing. Okay, we're going to put it on here. Very careful. Going to be very careful. Okay, put it here. Then, okay, this marker align that marker. Now we're going to lower it down. Okay, we lower it down. Now, we're going to lower it down. Okay. Okay. And lower. Okay. This is good. We're going to lower it down. Now we have to twist it. Let me see. Lower it down. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Looks like we can get screw in this time. Let me see if we can get screw in or not. Okay. The first screw is in. Okay. We have hope. We have a hope. The first screw is in. Now, the second screw. Second screw is in. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Let me see. Okay. All the screws are in. So you see, I try this process to try to put this aperture assembly back into the lens housing so many times on success. Now, this time, succeed. Okay, that's because remember the procedure, right? This is the procedure. Put the aperture assembly onto the rubber stand. Then drop the lens barrel onto the aperture assembly, because this aperture assembly is open, right? It's not closed. That's a different. Let's see. Everything's good or not. Don't think this is quite right yet. This is, ooh. Why this? Maybe too tight. The screw is too tight. Strange. Why? Okay, now we have it. Look. Okay, success. Now we have it. Now, wow. So then we have to put this spring back in. Ooh, what do we have here? Whoa, there's some hair. That's bad. There's some hair inside. You see, inside the lens. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. We have to brush it off. Brush. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now I got the major reassemble work done. The rest of the work is almost same as other type of these lenses. You probably can find the procedure steps on the YouTube. And probably one thing maybe different about this type of lens is maybe what left over is this spring. We have to put this spring back in the hole of this lever, right? This lever is control the open and the close of the aperture. So I see there's some difficulty to doing this. It's not quite easy to put it back. Once we put it back, let me take a look to see if that's not quite easy. Very teeny holes there. Very teeny hole. How can we put it back? That's not easy. Let me try it one more time to see. That's not quite that easy, man. Let's see. Okay. Because I cannot see the holes. I can only do this by try and error, man. It's so teeny. I think this is quite a difference. Because another type of the lens, this spring is on the other side. It's on the other side. It's very easy to put it, to put it on. But this is another unique of this type of lens. So this is quite a headache. Quite a headache. How are we going to do this one? Okay, I may need to study it a little bit to maybe have to find some way, procedure, another tool for me to do that. I'll be back. Okay. Luckily, I put back the screw and put the rear cover back. So it looks like everything is in shape now. So the rest of the work will be easy, right? Just need to put back in, right? Then put the this rear ring back in. So before I put everything back, I'm going to run some tests to see if the sticky aperture problem has been solved. It should be resolved. Okay, let me grab a camera real quick. Let's see. Okay, to see. We're going to run at the smallest aperture. The bubble speed set up to the bubble. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Perfect. The shutter, the aperture stepped down perfectly. Let's see. Let's see. No. I think we still have some problem. Why it's everything, that's not quite right. You see, everything, not right. Ooh, okay. Still not quite right. Look at that. Why is that? Why it's always stopped down to the smallest aperture. This is not right. We didn't get it right. Okay. Go back to the drawing board. Have to see what's going on. Okay, now we're coming back. Previously, I find out the aperture cannot be open, almost always stuck at the smallest stop. I have to open the lens up again. I'll find out the reason. We need to make this knob against this slider bar. So this way, you see, the aperture can be open. Now everything go back to business. We can go back to put everything together. Right. From now on, everything should go as normal. Now I have to put these two small ball back into position. Yeah. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Okay, now we can slide this back again. Okay, let me see. Okay, I have to slice this back again. Let's see. Okay. Let's see how we do this. That's correct. How are we going to line this up? It's not that easy. Okay. Okay. Now everything lined up. Okay. Now we're good. Now finally, we are good. We put the screw in. Okay. 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 Okay, look at that. That's good. This is good. Okay, now you know how to reassemble this type of lens with this type of aperture design. You will not find the whole process of this type of lens, overhaul this type of lens on current YouTube video, trust me. So this will help you if you came across this type of lens. Okay? Okay, everything good now. The rest is easy. The rest of them is easy. Okay, we'll just drop the lens back in. Okay, that's all. I hope this video will help you. Bye bye.